Tell me if this sounds familiar. You found a product that's selling really well on Amazon or Walmart. You go and you find it on the supplier's website. All of the numbers look good and you think you're going to make a ton of money. Then you pull up your product calculator and you plug in your numbers and you're met with that the product is not profitable. This happens time and time again, and a lot of beginners get caught up on this where they think that they find a profitable product, but after they plug in the numbers, they see that they're either going to be making a little bit of profit or they're actually going to be losing money. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to manufacture margin and to take the products that you find and make them cheaper. And we're going to be doing this through discounted gift cards. So what this generally means is that if we find a product at, let's say, $100, we can usually get 5, 10, 15, even 20% off from certain retailers and take a product from being almost profitable to being a really good product. And this is how a lot of larger sellers consistently make profit on online arbitrage. So let me show you an example. This is a product on Walmart and it's currently selling for $113 and it's in 50 people's carts. So this product is moving decently well. It's probably selling around 100 times per month on Walmart. And at this current price, in order to be profitable at $114, my maxed buy cost would need to be roughly $54 in order to meet my 40% margin. If I search up this product on Google, I can see that I can get it for $100 on Keurig, $100 on Kohl's, and there's really nowhere that I can get it at a profitable price. However, what we're going to do is we're going to go to Kohl's, and instead of paying $100, we're instead going to be able to take the price down to $55, which is our target price. So the first way I'm going to be doing that is by using the in-store and online discounts that Kohl's has. So there's 20% off of your order. Then there's also Kohl's Cash that you can earn, and there's a couple of other things that you can do. But the other thing that you can do to discount price is by using a discounted gift card. So currently the price for me is $90, including with the 10% off coupon that Kohl's has provided. And then I also have Kohl's Cash from previous orders that I did. So I'm sitting roughly at maybe around $70, which is still not profitable. So I can go to a site called Arbitrage Card that allows me to purchase discounted gift cards, and I can get a $500 gift card by paying $476 to Arbitrage Card. So the way that this works is that I get a gift card for a certain amount, let's say $100, and then I can buy it from Arbitrage Card at a discounted rate. So if I get a discount card that's 10% off, I'm paying Arbitrage Card $90, and the gift card is going to be valued at $100. So this is how we manufacture margin into our product. So let's say I then use that gift card to go ahead and buy something with it. I'm immediately getting a 10% reduction in price without having to go and find some weird discount code or without having to try all of the other tactics. The other great thing about this is that these gift cards usually last a long time. So I'll usually stock up whenever there's a good sale. You'll see a lot of the good ones are out of stock, but whenever the 11.5% ones or even 12% discount gift cards come back in stock, I'm usually going to buy those and then wait for a sale on Kohl's and go and buy a lot of product. So here's another example of a product that I was able to buy yesterday with Kohl's and discounted gift cards in order to get this at a really good price. So this item was on sale at Kohl's for $100. Now, if I had paid $100 and I was selling it at $170, I'd only be making around $19 or around 11% margin, which does not meet my minimums. So instead, I was able to use the 5% off gift cards from Arbitrage Card, as well as I was able to use the discount from Kohl's, and I was able to get this for roughly around $70 per unit, which instead was letting me make around $50 in profit for every sale that I'm going to get. So this took a product that was really not in the green for me, and it made it a super profitable product. On top of that, if this is your first time using Arbitrage Card, you can actually use my discount code to get $50 off any order over $100. So let's say you wanted a Kohl's gift card or you wanted anything. So if you bought a $100 gift card, you would use code NOAH50, and that's also going to be linked down below. And if you use that code, it's going to take your order of $100 and you're only going to be paying $50 for that gift card. So if the gift card was valued at, let's say, $120 and you were going to be paying $100, and then you use my discount code NOAH50, you're only going to be paying $50 for $120 worth of gift card. So that works on any store, any gift card on the Arbitrage Card website. It does not have to be Kohl's. Again, code NOAH50 gets you $50 off any order of $100 or more. And when it comes to managing discounted gift cards, a lot of people struggle because they might spend $1,000 on the gift cards and then they'll only spend maybe $700 of those gift cards. So they're left with $300 that they just never spend. And then ultimately it makes the items that they did buy unprofitable. But with Arbitrage gift card, they work on a ton of different retailers. So they work on Barnes & Nobles, they work on American Eagle, they have Target, they have Walmart, they have Kohl's. They basically have every retailer that you're going to need. but there's a ton of account level utilities that you can use to manage your cards and to see the value of those cards, which again is going to let you track them so that you're not losing the value. Within your gift card dashboard, you'll see right here that you can go to this dashboard and you have all of the cards that you've ever purchased. You can see the store. You can also go ahead and see the gift card. You can see the PIN, you can see the value, and you can also adjust the value. So if you buy a $500 card like I did, and you use $400 and something change, you can adjust the balance so you know how much is on those cards. You can also turn off the status, and this way it just gives you a database to keep track of all of your gift cards, how much you've spent, and how much you still have as the balance. You can also export this, you can edit columns, you can do a balance checker on some stores, so this can check the balance of your Kohl's gift cards, for example, so it can automatically let you know how much balance you have left to spend. Lastly, you can filter and sort by value and all of the different columns that we've mentioned. The last thing I want to mention about Arbitrage Card is that you can use different checkout methods. So you can buy the gift cards with your credit card. You can also pay via bank and you can get even more percentage off. So if you pay via Zelle, then you're going to get an extra 3%. If you use your credit card, then you can get your bonus that you have. So maybe 1.5 or 2% back. So it's just a great way again to stack up rewards as well as to lower your buy cost and again, make items that were maybe profitable or slightly profitable even more profitable. And there's a ton of ways that you can manufacture buy cost within online arbitrage, and figuring this all out, knowing the best way to do it is going to take you from a beginner sourcer to a master sourcer and just constantly let you find items that are profitable and other items that people are passing on, and you're going to be buying them because you know how to make them profitable. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Be sure to go ahead and to use code NOAH50 and check out Arbitrage Card. If you like this and you want more information about selling on Walmart and growing your e-commerce business, be sure to check out the link down below to my free course, which goes over everything that you need to know from sourcing to running a business and growing on Walmart. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.